Welcome to Grammar Lessons from BM English Speaking.
Past simple tense, positive, negative and questions. हम सादा भूतकाल पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव और क्वेश्चंस स्टडी करने वाले हैं. Look at this picture. Rahul goes for a morning walk every day. राहुल रोज मॉर्निंग वॉक के लिए जाता है. यह वाक्य हुआ सादे वर्तमान काल में. He went for a morning walk yesterday. This sentence is in past simple tense. With I, we, you, they, he, she, it, we use spoke, went, had, etc., which is the second form of verb. चलिए देखते हैं what is a regular verb and what is a irregular verb. Regular verb वो होता है जिसमें ed लगाने से उसका second form आ जाता है. For example, work becomes worked, dance becomes dance, play played, talk is verb 1, talked is verb 2, arrive arrived, watch becomes watched, open opened, finish finished, close becomes closed, start becomes started. अब जरा देखते हैं ये irregular verbs क्या हैं. Irregular verbs में when you convert from present tense to past tense or from V1 to V2, the spelling changes. Let's look at some examples. Do becomes did, drink drank, have is present tense, had is past tense, and you see the spelling has changed. Tell becomes told, go becomes went, sell becomes sold, get becomes got, take becomes took, eat becomes ate, and be, the second form is was or were. सादा भूतकाल हमको भूतकाल में हुई हुई चीजों के बारे में बताता है. Past tense is used to tell about activities that were completed in the past. Let's look at the structure of a sentence in past simple tense. He stayed in a hotel last night. He is a subject here. Stayed is the second form of verb. In a hotel last night is the object. चलिए अभी फॉर्मूला देखते हैं नेगेटिव वाक्य के लिए. Subject plus did not plus first form of verb plus object. He did not stay in a hotel last night. He is a subject. Did not is used because we are talking about a negative sentence. Stay is the first form of verb in a hotel last night. Have you noticed? Stayed is used in a positive statement. Did not, stay, did not stay is used in a negative sentence. So always remember, with I, we, you, they, he, she, it, did not, we'll use the first form of verb. चलिए अब देखते हैं प्रश्न बनाने के लिए क्या स्ट्रक्चर होता है. When you are framing a question using WH words, who, what, when, where, the structure is WH plus did plus the subject plus verb 1 plus object. Why did he stay in a hotel last night? Why is the WH word. Did is a helping verb. He is the subject. Stay is the first form of verb in a hotel last night, which is an object. चलिए अभी कुछ स्पेलिंग के रूल्स देखते हैं. Copy in past tense becomes copied. Study in past tense becomes studied. Try in past tense becomes tried. Stay, because it ends with Y, it is replaced by adding ed. Stay becomes stayed. Obey becomes obeyed. Enjoy becomes enjoyed. Chop becomes chopped. Stop becomes stopped. Plan becomes planned. Live lived. and save in present simple tense becomes saved in past simple tense. चलिए कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स देखते हैं पास्ट सिंपल टेंस में पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस के। आई स्टडीड द प्लान इन डिटेल, मैंने ये प्लान डिटेल में स्टडी किया। वी एंजॉयड द आर्ट फेस्टिवल, यू एनालाइज्ड वेरी वेल। दे हैड अ डिजिटल कैमरा, हरी डिड सालसा एट द पार्टी। उमा के पास बहुत पेन थी, Uma had a lot of pens. The courier reached on time. It reached on time. Have you observed? With I, we, you, they, he, she, it, we'll use the second form of verb. चलिए अभी देखते हैं negative sentences in past simple tense. I studied the plan in detail का negative हो जाएगा I did not study the plan in detail. We enjoyed the art festival का negative is We did not enjoy the art festival. You analyzed very well. You did not analyze very well. Hello, are you noticing? With did not, we are using study, enjoy, analyze, which are the first forms of verb. They did not have a digital camera. Hari did salsa at the party is positive. The negative of that sentence is Hari did not do salsa at the party. Uma के पास बहुत pens थी. The negative is Uma did not have a lot of pens. The courier reached on time is positive. The courier did not reach on time is negative. Again, if you observe did not and then reach, we do not use reached, did not reached. चलिए अब अरेंजमेंट ऑफ वर्ड्स देखते हैं जब हम प्रश्न बनाते हैं पास्ट सिंपल टेंस में। व्हाट डिड यू डू यस्टरडे? डिड, देन द सब्जेक्ट इज यू एंड देन द फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब व्हिच इज डू। व्हाट डिड यू डू यस्टरडे? हाउ डिड राम गो टू द वर्क इन द मॉर्निंग? हाउ मच डिड इट कॉस्ट? डिड हेमा यूज द कंप्यूटर? थैंक यू।